Hey, so a new makeup brand just launched and it's by actress Chloe Moretz and singer Rina Sawayama. So nowadays many things are meshing together to create unlikely hybrids and mixes, and these two happen to create a makeup brand inspired by beauty, fashion, music, and gaming. And it actually works so well. First off, the PR box. I was like, yes, here are the digital arts, but then the magic started happening. There continues to be discoveries, more artwork at every angle. You can spend a while just admiring it, but it keeps on going. It's no longer a cube. It continues to be more than meets the eye type shit, because look, gawk at it, admire it. I love this design for the PR box. It's engaging, it's fun, inspiring, and it keeps on giving. So this is the concept of Godmode. It's supposed to engage your artistry and create whatever character avatar you like to be, and adding the fun back in makeup and self-expression. And I know we've heard that all before, like, oh gosh, another makeup brand, but personally I've always seen whatever common thing that people create or do as, yeah, it's common, but was it told by your voice with your unique mix and own story? So if you're thinking that a place is too saturated, a good example is being a beauty creator, but you want to make your dreams into reality, or you just want to do it just you feel like you want to. It's always a rebellion to those who said no, but you say yes to yourself. I went on a little tangent there. But anyways, I got a couple things and phew. Applying eye primer first, as always. First product is this beautiful shadow quad encased in this chrome packaging. This is stunning. I am a sucker for chrome, futuristic, silver metallic packaging. Speaking to the product itself, these are some of the softest eyeshadows I've ever tried. These I feel like is a hybrid of almost a cream and powder. It's very plush and velvet. The shimmers in this palette are the ones you just want to stare at forever. They are hypnotic, just very eye-catching, and all four of them blend really nicely and they play well with each other. Oh my god, just very smooth. I use my finger to collect more pigment to apply. These two shadows, the lavender and the brown, seem to be very layerable. They blend into each other nicely, adds a really nice sheen to the eye because of that satin finish. Using a flat brush, I'm applying that same brown to the under eye, and again using my finger to apply then smudge those shadows for a blend. Now for that punch of shimmer, lightly tapping and applying that first glimmering shade on the middle of my lid. These shimmer shadows are what is meant to stand out in this palette. The other two are like backup dancers, and these two are like the main event. They are the spotlight. It's giving very cool toned, which I love. I was the most excited about this silver shimmer, and look at that, right? I am so happy about it. Of course, I never leave my inner corner alone. I just have to add it to the inner corner. A little goes a hell of a long way. This is my favorite. It is so soft. It's coming off so strong. It is just beautiful. Next is this dual liner, with one side being a matte deep red and the other a metallic shift. Both of these apply very smoothly. I'll tell you right now, their entire line that launched, everything is just soft and plush. There's a lot of shimmer going on, so I just used the red end. Red liner is just so cunty. It goes on no problem. Then I used an angled brow brush to smudge it out into a winged liner. Any tiny mistakes, a Q-tip will take care of it before it sets. I also want it in the inner corner, so I did a little stretch and apply it there too, as well as the upper waterline and the lower. I am coating. I want it all in there. I want my liner red. I also love wine reds, burgundy reds, deep reds. I find it so sexy. I wanted to pair this with some red mascara, but I have none. So I prepped with a mascara primer that didn't really do shit. Then I just went in with a clean mascara wand with a deep red, a liquid lip, and coated whatever I could with that. I could have maybe took more time to apply it on false lashes, like the clusters, and then apply that one by one. But I was too excited to continue on to try Godmode's other products, just hoping that this would work. I've been using a lash serum that's been making my lashes a lot stronger and fuller. It was like $20. So this wasn't as bad as it was before. When applying mascara, my lashes were so awful before, but thanks to this serum I use now, lashes are so much better, and it's gonna continue getting better. Do not ever skip blush. I applied a little to the cheeks to bring some color to my face, and as always, I go back with touch-ups to make sure everything is at level with each other, synchronizing all the colors. Ho, so this is an egg. Not just any egg, an ethereal egg. My friend said he thought it was a butt plug, and I'm like, yes, she's a butt plug, she's decor, she's jewelry, an accessory, a highlighter. She does it all. An egg with many talents. So I fell in love with the silver egg because you can decor it with stickers. It's how the brand is. Want to be engaging, they want it to be fun, and I'm like, that is such a cute way to do it. And the highlighter itself is magical. So any type of highlighter, powder highlighter, I am very like, I love the look of it. It's just that I have textured skin, so highlighters end up looking patchy. It enhances my texture. This one is the best highlighter I have ever tried, next to Sachu's Liquid Glow. Again, it has a hybrid cream powder feel, and it's a layerable product. It's like, now you see me, now you don't, but when you do see me, I'm glowing, I'm blinding. Or you can be subtle. Do you see how beautiful it blends out? It's like luminous. I didn't know my skin could be like that. It's a green, blue, turquoise type of shift, and you can see me layering it on and blending it out. It doesn't seem so green or blue once it's really blended out, and I love it because my skin has never, again, just been this luminous. I did not expect it to blend so nicely on my face. Like, it's just not possible. I off camera was like, what in God's name? This is my favorite product from their line. It's called the Genesis Egg. I hope they come up with more shades because the formulation, you just have to feel it. You just have to touch it. You have to try it. It is beautiful. It is just one of the best. It is so soft and plush. Next is the lip liner. I don't know how many times I can say smooth in this video. Again, it's just, Godmode is just smooth, okay? The shade is called Spill, and it's that perfect deep chocolate brown. Now with very buttery liners, they can sometimes melt and run down the product really fast. This lip liner won't do that, and once you draw it on, it'll set. So if you're planning on blending, blend it while you can, because once it's on there, it's not budging. Lastly, the gorgeous gloss. It's so cute. Pink be so sparkly. Now these type of sheer glosses with glimmer and shimmers in it are my favorite because you can just add it as a topper to any lipstick if you want some shimmer to it. I added 2 swatches, one under low light and one with window lighting. I didn't apply anything on my lips. I wanted that chocolate lip liner and sparkling gloss contrast, and yeah, this is new makeup brand Godmode. It's all beautiful. Futuristic formulations are just may I say godly. The digital world, the world of now, meshing your reality with your games and dreams, all that. I fucks with it. It works.